sweetie?
Now you get shy. This is your family. You're never shy. Mommy's right there.
Hey, Pumpkin.
You want to see your baby brother? He's right
see
here.
him? She's. Okay.
You want to hold him?
You want to hold him? Okay. You want to sit down in the chair?
Mommy.
It is Mommy.
Hi, baby
Put
girl.
your arms out. Haley.
She's.
Baby.
Oh.
Put your arm out.
Put your arm out, honey.
There you go, just like that.
Is that Brenda?
Yeah. That's baby Brendan.
Is that Brendan?
Yeah.
He's
Baby
cute,
brother.
isn't he?
Hang on. Don't move yet.
Baby Brendan. It is baby Brendan.
Can you give him a kiss? Can I give him a kiss?
Kiss.
You want to see Mommy, don't you?
Hi.
You wanna see
Can I
Mommy?
have my kiss?
Go see Mommy.
Hi, sweetie.
Go see Mommy.
Hey, already. I haven't washed.
Hi.
Come here.
Mommy.
Oh, hi, Brendan. You took so long to come see us. Yes, you did. Hi, honey. I'm gonna open your eyes.
How are you, Pumpkin? This isn't my baby. Yeah.
So look, did you guys hear her walking, coming down the hall? She was talking the whole time. Go see Mommy, Daddy. She comes in the room and
They missed you. You know that?
what is
Yeah,
that?
no. Let's not hit those buttons.
What is that sound?
So cute.
You want down? Yeah. What if I hug and kiss? Oh.
Just bye.
Already?
Just think there, Squish.
Yeah, but it's baby Brendan.
Is it baby Brendan?
It's your little brother.
Huh? Is this your brother? Huh? Did you want to give him a kiss? You want to give him a kiss?
Sleeping.
He is sleeping.
Yeah.
He's probably going to be sleeping a lot.
It's blanket.
This is Blanket. He's all bundled up, see?
It's bundled up.
Oh, that's not a pretty face.
It's hair.
Look at all that hair.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Cute. He's cute.
He is cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to give him a kiss?
Stop, shut. Baby brother.
Uh-huh. He's your baby brother, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Mommy's up there. And Daddy?
Yeah.
And Chubba?
Yeah.